The morning clouds are gathering around as I stand on the breeze of the river. Years have gone since I was here, and I wonder how I differ. Taxi cabs keep rolling by, and a blind man asks for change. And here I stand, soldier in the rain. Coming home was all I thought of, seeing my family and friends. They say love knows no distance, but the lonely never ends. And all along the dreams that possessed my heart never were to play. And here I stand, soldier in the rain. I remember years ago, I had so many plans, and now I watch the river flow. Time has brought me here with empty hands. I remember years ago, I had so many plans, and now I watch the river flow. Time has brought me here with empty hands. The morning clouds are gathering round, and the streets are full of reflections. Traffic light and the moon still bright, people go in different directions. I thought about why I'm here, it's just too hard to explain. Stay here I stand, soldier in the rain.